Welcome to Pennsylvania, where history, culture, and some downright unique traditions come to life through incredible festivals. If you love high-flying pumpkins, roaring chainsaws, rugged lumberjack competitions, or a deep dive into history, you're in for a treat. Today we're counting down 5 must-visit small-town Pennsylvania festivals that deserve a spot on your bucket list. Let's get started. What happens when you mix science, engineering, and a love of all things fall? You get the Chunkin Fall Festival, hosted by the Howard Fire Company. This festival is all about launching pumpkins as far as possible using homemade catapults, trebuchets, and air cannons. This free festival draws teams from all over, each with unique contraptions designed for maximum pumpkin airtime. They all gather at the beach at Bald Eagle State Park. Some machines send pumpkins flying up to a mile. Beyond the pumpkin flinging madness, this festival is packed with family-friendly activities like a pumpkin pie eating contest, craft vendors, and of course, delicious festival and seasonal food. Whether you're there to witness record-breaking pumpkin launches or just to enjoy the crisp autumn air, Chunkin Fall Festival is an event like no other.
We need the pies delivered to the information booth.
If you thought chainsaws were just for cutting firewood, think again. Every year, the town of Ridgway, Pennsylvania becomes a buzzing hub for some of the most talented chainsaw artists in the world during the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous. This 5-day-long event started as a small gathering in 1999 and has grown into one of the largest chainsaw carving events in the world. With sawdust flying and chainsaws roaring, these artists transform massive logs into breathtaking sculptures. Everything from eagles to bears to mythical creatures. Visitors can watch live carving demonstrations, participate in workshops, and even take home one-of-a-kind pieces. The festival also features live music, food vendors, and an auction where you can bid on freshly carved masterpieces.
Stand to your timber. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, here we go, Thunder.
Next up, we head to Shellsburg, Pennsylvania to see more chainsaw skills at the Pennsylvania Lumberjack Championships. If you've ever wanted to see real-life Paul Bunyans battle it out in axe throwing, buck sawing, and hot saw racing, this is the place to be. The festival isn't just about brute strength. It's about precision and skill honed over years of training. The event features traditional competitions such as the springboard chop, axe throwing, and underhand chopping. Spectators can get a ringside seat for the action and watch as these lumberjacks and Jills compete for cash and prizes, and most importantly, bragging rights. Vendors sell handcrafted goods and other items, and there's plenty of barbecue and local treats to enjoy between events. It's an action-packed weekend that celebrates Pennsylvania's rich timber heritage with thrilling competitions you won't want to miss.
he took an extra couple seconds there to make sure his footing was right. And that might cost him at the end here with some of the skilled athletes we have. But he's put down a great cut so far. He's onto the backside of his standing block. But here comes O'Connell. O'Connell throwing the drives in, heading to the backside, trying to chase Beaudry down. 3 there, hammering away, throwing the drivers. Miller, Quigley, Graves around at the same time. Here comes Witkowski.
She has a big front end, Dave.
Look at Graves, though, hammering away. She's got a great block. Getting ready to throw the drivers in. Miller trying to chase her down. See some rotten spots there for Miller. Graves will take it, though, followed by Witkowski. And it just doesn't seem like Hannah drew the block for this one. Her axe is not liking it.
For a step back in time, Ebensburg's Dickens of a Christmas celebration offers a fascinating look at the history and traditions that shaped the holiday celebrations we still enjoy today. Held in downtown Ebensburg each December, this weekend-long festival takes us back to the Elizabethan era of the late 19th century. Friday evening's tree lighting is a mix of old and modern. The area is lit by the flames of Elizabethan braziers, and after the appropriate countdown from the crowd, LED lights adorn the trees and bushes of Kimball Park and downtown streets. Carolers, some in period costume, perform in the gazebo, while residents and visitors, many also in Elizabethan garb, join in and enjoy hot chocolate and cookies. The festival goes on all weekend with sales, visits with Santa, horse-drawn sleigh rides, and special events for the entire family throughout the downtown area.
We haven't done that for a while. Yeah, it was. I agree.
You know, it just isn't possible to cover the wide range of festivals in central Pennsylvania in a list of just 5. So here's a bonus for you. While fall is a popular festival season all across the country, even in the dead of winter, the hardy souls in the mountains of the Laurel Highlands have found something to celebrate. Somerset's Fire and Ice Festival draws visitors from far and wide for food, crafts, entertainment, and of course, ice for carving and fires for making s'mores. Just 15 miles from Seven Springs and Hidden Valley ski resorts, Somerset is a natural destination for winter getaways. The Fire and Ice Festival has ice carvings on display through the downtown, with fire pits dotting the streets for a warm-up. An indoor vendor market allows visitors to shop in comfort out of the elements, while outside, the ice slide is popular with the youngsters, with s'mores to warm up. Food vendors and entertainment can be found throughout the streets as locals and visitors celebrate the magic of winter in the mountains. And finally, let's head to Fort Loudon for Across the Centuries, a living history festival that spans 2,000 years of world history. This immersive event features historical reenactments, interactive displays, and live demonstrations of everything from ancient Greek warriors, Roman centurions, medieval knights, black powder musket and cannon, and modern military reenactors. Visitors can walk through authentic encampments from different time periods, talk to reenactors portraying soldiers and civilians, and even participate in historic games and activities. Whether you're a history buff or just love a good adventure, this festival, set against the reconstructed French and Indian War fort, transports you straight into the past with experiences that make history come alive.
Pretty much designed to work in the Arctic.
But he is augmenting his regular forces.
But we focus on the common soldier, not necessarily the knight or the nobleman.
There you have it. Actually, 6 incredible small-town festivals in central Pennsylvania that celebrate everything from history to high-flying pumpkins to ice. Which one are you adding to your travel list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome travel content throughout the Mid-Atlantic. Right now, YouTube thinks you might want to watch this one. Until next time, as always, have a great week.